Hello, Internet. It's me again. It's 12:53 a.m. Wednesday morning, the 6th, January 2010. Once again, I'm supposed to be doing homework, but instead, talking to you. This huge history essay thing, let's do Thursday, that I'm kind of starting like right now. Yeah. I'm like pretty much the master procrastinator. I should write a book about it, but no one would buy it. So I'm thinking about telling my teacher that it wasn't really my fault that I wasn't able to get the essay in on time. Like, okay, to be completely fair, my homepage on Safari is Facebook. So as soon as I open up, bam, there's Facebook, and then I have like a friend request, and then someone wrote on my wall, and I have an inbox message. So I kind of like have to check it, right? And then, as soon as I got on the computer, like MSN just pops up, logs me in, and then got distracted. So I never really had a chance. I'm starving. I need some food for the brain. All I've had to eat today is this, some chapstick. And I've been like coughing up all three of my lungs like in the past 2 weeks. Yeah, so those of you who saw Avatar in Bracebridge on Sunday night, I apologize for that little coughing fit that I had. It was pretty bad. But I got some of this, got some juice. I just downed it not too long ago. It tasted like garbage, not like the good garbage, like the American Top 40 garbage, like compost garbage. It's kind of gross. I never want to go there again. Well, there's not much else that I have to talk about right now. So I think I'm done with my little homework break. Gonna get my ass in gear. I might fall asleep at the computer, like no joke, and then like just roll my head around and have like that type the words for me. I'm gonna try that out.